Hello viewers, you're welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a very insightful topic. So we have a laptop here. We want to look at a battery and the RAM and want to do some few replacements and installations. So please don't forget to share this video with friends and family, and again give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So for many of us that have been sending a message to us on some informations on accessories and other information, please and please, we want to implore you, just send us a WhatsApp message to the number you're going to be putting on our description box below, or you send us an email. We are going to respond to you as fast as possible. So today we're going to be looking at this laptop. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is we actually want to do some replacement here. So we have, this is Sony, you can see it here, Sony. So you see it here, you can see it here. This is Sony Vivo. This is Sony Vivo. So we're going to be looking at how to remove the battery and how to replace the RAM. So how do you go about that if you want to replace the RAM? So the first thing you need to do is you need to first, if you want to remove the battery, and also if you want to work on the RAM, the first thing you need to do is close the laptop. Close it, and then you put it up like this. You get a screw. You can see the screw here. So you get a screw for you to unscrew the laptop, and then you come over here and you screw it. And if you want to remove the battery for safety purpose, you can just remove the battery like this, pin this backward and remove this. You can see it here. Pin this one also backward and remove it. Can you see it now? So this is how to remove the laptop battery. So now for us to remove and replace the RAM, we can see it here. You unscrew this, unscrew it. After you have unscrewed it, then you can just use your hand to remove it. So it's very easy as you're seeing it here. So you unscrew it totally, like completely. So it's unscrewed, and you remove this, and you have this here. So you can see the RAM here. So this is the RAM port. This is the RAM port. So we have the RAM port here. So now we have different types of RAM here. You can see you have a lot of RAM here that you can actually look at. So this is the RAM here. So one of the things you have to know is that we have different types of RAM. We have PC2, PC3, PC3L, DDR3, 2, DDR3, DDR4. But I don't want to go into that into the breaking down of all those information of all these RAMs. That is another topic on its own entirely. So I'm going to be doing a video on that. So for many of us that are actually interested in the video, just send us a message on the comment box below. And again, please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button below. We implore you to please subscribe, so as we are dropping a new video, you are going to be notified. You're going to be given a notification. So now for this one, this one is you can see it here. You can see the information here. Look at this so you can see the information here. So this is 2 gig. 2 gig. This one is also this is 2 gig, right? This one is also 2 gig. You can see it here, 2 gig. Yeah, you can see it now. It's not clear now. So this is 2 gig. So all you just have to do is make sure that this is the RAM port. You make sure that it's in line, that it's clipped together. So you have to be very careful. you have to be very careful that it clips together. So, and you just put it in directly and you put it back. So it's done. You can see it as so simple, as easy as it is that way. And you put in back this clip, and if you want to remove it, you just have to like pull this back. You can see it here. Put this one also back. It's going to come automatically and you remove it. Can you see it now? So if you want to put it back, you clip it back again. You clip it back again. You can see it's as very simple as that. And you put this in back. You have to look at all these designs at its own specific function. You can see all these ports here, all the ports here. It's not just for fashion's sake, but it has its own specific function. So it's for the cover to enter in slightly. So you can see it here. So you put this one back in, and then you can see it's already clipping. So you must make sure that it clips together. It's very important. It's very important for all these things to clip together. So you can see it here. It's clipping. Make sure that it clips together. So you put in this back again and you screw it. Yeah, so you screw it like that, and screw it. And if you want to put down the battery, you just put it in the battery and you slip in together. So that's how to replace the RAMs and the battery. So if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to share and please give us a thumbs up. Please and please, if you have any information, and actually if you are looking for a place to get an accessories, laptops, iPhones, just send us a WhatsApp message and it's going to be delivered to you. Don't worry, we are your best plug. We are tested, we are trusted, we have integrity, we have transparency. Just send us a WhatsApp message and then we respond to you. So God bless you. Have a nice time.